you like chatting on online platforms instead of talking to people face to face like I do? Online platforms like Zoom or Google Meet are a great fit for those who dread the pressure of in person interactions. These give us introverts the chance to engage on our own terms. And here's what you can do: engage in industry forums, Facebook groups, or other online networks where you can contribute in a way that feels comfortable. My mentee, a mother of three, Natalie, has a knack for creating custom designs on shirts, jackets, and uniforms. And just like any other shy person, networking makes Natalie nervous, especially those big events with lots of people. And what she did was this: she looked for a different way to meet clients. And that's how she found Instagram to be useful. Natalie would show her designs and talk to people online, all from the comfort of her home. To her, it felt like having her own online shop where she could show off what she could do and still be herself. On Instagram, Natalie found a community of individuals who appreciated her creativity. She would engage in discussions about design trends, share tips and tricks, and even receive inquiries from people interested in her services. And the best part, she could do it all at her own pace without feeling overwhelmed. And this is how she expanded her network without the pressure of in person events.